G'day ice cream lovers. Look, we're here again at the Ice Cream Expo. One of the biggest chocolate companies in the world is a company by the name of Callebaut. They're based out of Belgium. Beautiful, high quality Belgian chocolate. Now, a lot of ice cream, a lot of gelato, a lot of soft serve, every single segment of the soft serve and frozen dessert industry loves chocolate. It's a fan favorite. It's one of the best sellers behind vanilla. And Callebaut chocolate have been famous for chocolate all around the world. Previously, they haven't done a lot of products that are integrated or designed specifically for the ice cream industry. That's all changing. This year, they've launched a whole range of ice cream, gelato, and all other types of frozen desserts with a chocolate base. They're Belgian chocolate, signature Belgian chocolate base. So we're going to talk to the folks there and find out what's new and some of the great products that they're offering this year at the show.
Hello, I'm Fabio Di Maro. I'm in charge of the business development for the gelato in Barry Callebaut.
And
Hi, I'm Ciro Fradano. I'm a Choco Gelato chef in the Choco Lab Academy in Milano. The first Choco Lab gelato in the world.
wow. So tell me a little bit about the history of Callebaut.
Well, Barry Callebaut is the fusion of two companies, Cocoa Barry and Callebaut. And we are world leaders in producing chocolates, chocolate couverture. So a lot of gelato chefs are actually trying to put as much chocolate as possible into their recipe, and we want to facilitate this with our new Choco Gelato line. So welcome, come over. This is your classic gelato made with cocoa powder only. We have Van Houten cocoa powders. You can see the full range here.
So what is the difference between cocoa and chocolate? Because many ice cream or gelato companies are putting cocoa in, but you're putting chocolate in. So what's the difference between the two?
Well, if you take the mass and you squeeze out a part of the cocoa butter, you get a cocoa powder. But this is not yet chocolate. What you need to do is you would need to go back to the mass, add sugar, and conch it all together to get the granulometry very, very fine. And that's how you get these products, which are actual chocolates. To make a milk chocolate, you'd also have to add milk powder in the conching process. So these are examples here of chocolate. You have dark chocolates and you also have milk chocolates. So we in Callebaut, we manufacture chocolate. This is actually chocolate couverture, as you can see. This is dark chocolate couverture, and we have Belgian chocolate with various recipes. The original recipe is the 811, number 811. Then we also have a 70-30 with 70% of cocoa solids. And if you want to go up, we have an 80% cocoa solid power 80.
So as you go up in solids, what does that mean for ice cream makers?
It means that you have a darker, a more intense, a more powerful flavor of chocolate in your ice cream. Then, if you don't want the Belgian recipe, you can go single origin. Here you have Ecuador, Sao Tome, and you have many other, Satongo, Brazil, Madagascar, many different types. If you want to make a gelato, you could use up to 25% of chocolate in your recipe, and at that point the problem is, how do I stabilize all of this chocolate, how do I make my recipe, and how do I do it all without any milk? At that point we've developed the choco base. So you would be using 800 grams of chocolate, 800 grams of choco base, and 2.4 kilograms of water. That's the recipe. You can replace a part of the water with a fruit puree, for example, if you like.
So what about the milk base? What do you do to make the milk base?
Well,
they're going crazy over chocolate.
here, the milks, you would be having a milk chocolate. This base will not work with that, so we developed a special base only for milk chocolates. And it's called Choco Base Milk. At that point you would use chocolate, 800 grams of milk base, and you would use 2.4 kilograms of liquid milk. We also have one very special product. It's a pure chocolate that you can use in stracciatella applications. Many stracciatellas are made with chocolates that include maybe some oils, some vegetable oils. So if you're looking into making a pure chocolate stracciatella that's 100% chocolate, you could use here our technical solution, which is called ice chocolate. You don't need to temper it, you just need to melt it in a bain-marie and fold it into the gelato in order to obtain a stracciatella. You could do a chocolate mint, or you could do a coconut and chocolate chip. This is the result.
They're my customer, but I know that the service is superb, so if you have had them.
Well, thanks for coming to the Ice Cream Alliance show here in Harrogate. If you want to learn more about chocolate, you can come and discover us on the web, or you're
Visit
also very
us.
welcome to visit us in Milan.
Yeah, our Chocolate Academy Milano. I will wait for you. Thank you.
See you soon.
Bye.
Well, folks, I'm telling you what, some of the best chocolate ice cream you'll ever eat. And I'm not saying that to disparage any other chocolate ice cream or chocolate flavoring, but Callebaut chocolate, basically it's the gold standard when it comes to chocolatiers, to the baking industry, to the treat industry, and now they're rolling that expertise and that flavor, that beautiful chocolate flavor, into the ice cream world. So again, underneath we've got all the links for you to be able to have a look at what's on offer, whether it's available to you even. In any case, we love it. It's been one of the most popular stands at the show. Honestly, there's been lines and lines of people here waiting just to eat chocolate ice cream. So you can't just say, I'll just have chocolate anymore, because it's not just chocolate. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Keep on scooping, and we'll see you in the next video.